A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development regarding immigration policy, the Trump administration is reportedly preparing to deport Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a native of El Salvador, to Uganda. This follows his recent release from pretrial detention in Tennessee, where he was held on federal human smuggling charges. Abrego Garcia's case has drawn attention due to the complexities surrounding his immigration status and the legal battles he has faced. Abrego Garcia was initially deported to El Salvador earlier this year due to an administrative error, despite a previous ruling by an immigration judge that stated he could not be sent back to his home country due to fears of persecution from local gangs. After spending months in a notorious Salvadoran prison, he was returned to the U.S. and subsequently jailed while awaiting trial. A judge recently ruled that he should be released ahead of his trial set for January. However, hours after his release, officials from the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, notified his attorneys of the possibility of his deportation to Uganda within 72 hours. This move comes after Uganda agreed to accept deportees who are not its citizens, part of a broader strategy by the Trump administration to utilize third countries for deportation purposes. Abrego Garcia's attorney, Sean Hecker, expressed relief at his client's release but also criticized the government's actions. He stated, "Today, Kilmar Abrego Garcia is free. He is presently en route to his family in Maryland after being unlawfully arrested and deported, and then imprisoned, all because of the government's vindictive attack on a man who had the courage to fight back against the administration's continuing assault on the rule of law." Hecker emphasized the importance of access to American courts in ensuring due process for his client. The situation has sparked a heated debate about the Trump administration's immigration policies and the treatment of undocumented immigrants. Critics argue that the administration's approach to deportation, particularly to countries like Uganda, raises ethical concerns and questions about the safety and rights of those being deported. Supporters of the policy, however, contend that it is necessary for maintaining border security and enforcing immigration laws. As the clock ticks down on the potential deportation, Abrego Garcia plans to return to Maryland, where he has family. His case highlights the complexities of the U.S. immigration system and the often precarious situations faced by undocumented immigrants. The legal landscape surrounding his deportation remains uncertain, as a Maryland-based federal judge has mandated that the government provide a 72-hour notice before any deportation proceedings are initiated. This ruling, however, does not prevent immigration agents from pursuing his removal under the law. The Trump administration strategy of deporting individuals to third countries has been increasingly utilized in recent months, raising questions about the implications for those affected. As the situation develops, it remains to be seen how Abrego Garcia's case will unfold and what it will mean for the broader immigration debate in the United States. In the wake of these events, CBS News has reached out to both the DHS and Abrego Garcia's attorneys for further comment, but responses have yet to be provided. As the immigration landscape continues to shift, the situation surrounding Kilmar Abrego Garcia serves as a poignant reminder of the challenges and complexities inherent in immigration policy. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.